What's up, guys? I'm actually at the track getting in my dad workout. I can't believe I'm a dad. We're not doing real sprints today. We're doing like football drills. So let's go. What's up? Ah, yes. My chest of toys. Football coming with me. New football spikes coming with me. Sick, right? Nike Vapors coming with me. We'll bring the gloves. And we're gonna bring the agility ladder. And we're bringing my foam roller as well. And I think I just saw down there that there was some serious athletes training, which I'm so pumped every time I come to the track and I see like some NFLers or some pro track athletes down there, because that lifts me up, that levels up my game. Always love training and watching other people train who are just killing it. So hopefully what I saw was right and they're down there killing it. Hey, how's the track?
Good.
Good. Shoot, I think that was them who just walked by. Stepping onto the field. All mine.
We interrupt this program for an important news announcement.
You can now get access to all our workout programs, recipes, and meal plans inside our workout app. Try it for free today. Link in the description. Now let's get back to the episode.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit.
Here's the warm-up tricep. First exercise in tricep A are the skips, 10 yards out and 10 yards back. Rest 10 seconds. Second exercise in tricep A is walking, alternating single leg toe touch. 10 yards out, 10 yards back.
Man, I always stay up, don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough, this life ahead of you ain't easy.
Rest for 10 seconds. Third exercise in tricep A, straight leg bounce. 10 yards out, 10 yards back. Rest 30 seconds after each tricep. Complete 4 triceps. Let's move on to the Plyometrics Superset. First exercise of Superset B, single leg power skips. Go 10 yards out on one leg, then 10 yards back on the other leg. Rest 10 seconds. Second exercise of the Superset, pogo jump to tuck jump. Complete 8 reps, then rest 1 minute after each superset. Complete 4 supersets. Let's move to the agility tricep. First exercise of tricep C, agility ladder 1-step drill. Up and back is 1 set, then rest 10 seconds. Second exercise is the agility ladder lateral scissor hops. Up and back is 1 set, then rest 10 seconds. Third exercise is the agility ladder forward icky shuffle. Up and back is 1 set. Then rest 1 minute after each tricep. Complete 4 triceps. Finally, speed and conditioning. Last exercise are the 10-yard shuttle run. Going from line to line 1 time equals 1 rep. Complete 3 reps.
Where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities.
Rest 1 minute between sets and repeat 4 times. One of the things I miss most about leaving my hometown is the football league that I was in with all my buddies. All my homies. Miss playing football. I need to get into a league. So if you guys are in the Southern California area and you need a wide receiver that has wheels, let me know.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Oh man, I need some friends. And there, the Goodyear blimp. Classic football blimp. All right, workout done. Time to go home and fuel up. Break this fast.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming.